Complete travel guide for tourists visiting. During Lunar New Year, Vietnamese New Year called Tet, should you visit Vietnam during Tet 2027? Visiting Vietnam during Tet can be absolutely unforgettable if you plan ahead and embrace the slower rhythm of the holiday season. Travelers who seek culture, tradition, photography, and authentic local experiences often consider Tet the most rewarding time to explore Vietnam. However, tourists expecting normal business operations and spontaneous travel may find the holiday challenging. The key to enjoying Tet 2027 is preparation, flexibility, and curiosity. For customized Vietnam itineraries, local travel advice, and authentic cultural tours, visit ZAZENTRAVEL.com. Explains the Tet 2027, best and worst times to visit Vietnam, insider travel tips, and a quick survival guide for international tourists. What is Tet in Vietnam? Tet is Vietnam's Lunar New Year celebration and the country's biggest annual holiday. Similar to Chinese New Year but uniquely Vietnamese in traditions and customs, Tet symbolizes family reunions, ancestor worship, good luck and prosperity, new beginnings, traditional food and celebrations. During Tet, cities become quieter while homes fill with festive decorations such as peach blossoms in northern Vietnam, yellow apricot flowers in southern Vietnam, kumquat trees, red envelopes. For many travelers, Tet is the best time to experience authentic Vietnamese culture. Best time to visit Vietnam during Tet 2027. Best overall timing, January 25 to the 3rd of February 2027. This is widely considered the ideal Tet travel window because Vietnam feels festive, while most tourist services are still operating normally. Colorful Tet flower markets everywhere. Streets beautifully decorated. Great atmosphere in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City restaurants and attractions. Mostly open. Easier transportation. Amazing photography opportunities. Travelers can enjoy the excitement of Tet preparation without major disruptions. 1. Best time for cultural experiences. February 5 to February 7 inches, 2027. If you want the full authentic Tet experience, arrive during Tet Eve and the first 2 days of the Lunar New Year. Fireworks displays, midnight celebrations, family rituals, pagoda visits, lion dances, traditional ceremonies, empty, peaceful streets in major cities. This is a dream experience for photographers and cultural travelers. Important warning: many businesses will close during these days. Worst time to visit Vietnam. During Tet 2027, February 3 to February 10 inches 2027. This period can be challenging for tourists who are unprepared. Domestic flights fully booked. Train tickets sold out weeks early. Increased hotel prices. Restaurants closed. Limited street food. Tourist services reduced. Local buses unavailable. Crowded airports. Major cities like Hanoi and Saigon City can feel unusually empty because many locals return to their hometowns. Is Tet a good time to visit Vietnam? Yes, if you want. Authentic culture, unique photography, traditional festivals, fewer crowds at famous landmarks, a once-in-a-lifetime experience, NO if you prefer. Convenient transportation, predictable schedules, busy nightlife, easy shopping, flexible travel plans. Tet is ideal for slow travel and cultural immersion, not fast-paced sightseeing. Quick guide for tourists visiting Vietnam during Tet. What stays open during Tet? Usually open. Luxury hotels, some international restaurants, airports, convenience stores in big cities, usually closed. Local family restaurants, small cafes, banks, tailor shops, government offices, markets. Essential Tet travel tips for Vietnam 2027. 1. Book flights early. Reserve international and domestic flights at least 2-3 months ahead. Tet is Vietnam's busiest travel season. 1. Carry cash. Many local businesses close card systems or banks during Tet. Always carry Vietnamese dong, VND. 1. Learn basic Tet greetings. Simple phrases help create friendly local interactions. Useful phrases: Chúc mừng năm mới, Happy New Year, An Khang Thịnh Vượng, wishing prosperity and health. Respect local customs. Avoid loud arguments, wearing all black on New Year's Day, discussing bad luck or negative topics. Tet is considered spiritually important. Weather in Vietnam. During Tet 2027, Central Vietnam pleasant and dry, great for sightseeing. Southern Vietnam, warm and sunny, ideal beach weather. Tet season is generally one of the best weather periods for visiting Vietnam.